first I'm gonna start with the lower looper. We're gonna go through here, make a little loop, and down again. After that, we're gonna go through this guide right here and around the tension disc. Every time you put a thread in the tension disc, put some tension so you make sure it got in between the disc. Now we got another guide right here. Good. Now we get to the loopers. Just thread it. Yeah. We're gonna follow the little green dots because this thread is green right here, and we're gonna do it like this. And this is gonna be pretty much the bottom part of it. After this, it's really simple. Okay, we're gonna look for this little hole on the bottom looper and go through it. And catch it. Okay. And we gotta thread it from the back to the front on a hole that is right there. I'm gonna open this up so we can see it better. Okay, now we slightly move the hand wheel so we can see the hole that we're gonna be threading, which is this one. And we're gonna grab the thread. Okay. We're gonna go from the back to the front like this. Pull it out, and now we're gonna finally thread the looper. Okay, we bring that thread in front of the looper. We're gonna move the hand wheel a bit so we can see the point of the looper, and we're gonna thread it through. Just like that. We pick it up slowly, and that's it. Now we got the bottom thread out. I'm gonna put it to the side so it doesn't bother me. Good. Now we're gonna do the upper looper. Same, go through this guide, a little turn, and get it down. Now from this other guide right here, gonna put it in between the tension disc. Another guide. Pull it again. This other guide right here. And now we're gonna follow this diagram right here. So we start in this point from the top to the bottom. Okay. After that point, we're gonna do this guide over here, this other one on top, and we move to this one down here. And slowly pull it. Great. Now we're gonna go through this guide right here, and we're gonna do similar process. We're gonna move the hand wheel so we got an easy reach of the upper looper. We're gonna look for the hole just behind it and thread it through like this. And now we're gonna look on this side. I'm gonna take out the presser foot just to get a better access, and we're gonna move this so we can take our thread and easy thread it through the point of the upper looper like that. That's it, we got 2 loopers all threaded. Now we're gonna be threading the needles. Same loop here through the guides. Again, this is all the same. Through this guide, around the tension disc, this guide down here, and here. Okay, now we're gonna look for the same color, the color of the tension, the yellow. You're gonna look the yellow here. So we're gonna through this guide. Now this is the part that you gotta make sure you do it right. This take up over here, and again through this other guide. So it should look just like that. This will go over this felt. This felt is the one that's gonna do the oiling of the thread if you use silicone oil for the thread loop. These tensions are a little bit strong. Now we're gonna go through this guide. We're threading the first needle. We're gonna do it inside this plate. Just tension it a bit, and that's it. Now through the needle clamp guide, and ready to do the needle. The needle is from to back. Like this, slowly. Make sure it doesn't get caught up in the knife. And that's it. We're just 1 needle out. Now again, we're gonna go with the last needle, the left needle, and we are doing it the loop, going through the same system, through the tension disc. Just make sure always that you go in between. Here, the top guide, we're gonna go for the first and up. So in this one is a bit easier, you just run it up. This other guide, let me move this a bit so I can have easier access. Through here, to the final steps. This guide right here, some tension, and get it inside this. The needle clamp, just grab it right up, and through the needle, front to back. And that's it. We got all 4 threads all threaded. Just put it to the side, and we can put the presser foot back, press the lever, and that's it. And now just to test. You see, we can see all the threads. The white needle, the orange the light blue on top and the dark blue on the bottom. And this is how a perfect stitch should look like.